Last spring, a friend showed me his plan to get out of debt. It was a giant spreadsheet, 14 tabs, lots of colors, a motivational quote at the top. He asked what I thought, and I said something polite. But here's what I didn't say. I'd seen that exact same spreadsheet before, 2 years earlier. A different friend made one just like it. And that friend still has all of his debt. That's the pattern I want to talk about. For decades, the money advice industry has sold us one thing: discipline. Track every dollar you spend. Say no to every treat. Shut your teeth tight until the debt is gone. And we can see exactly how well that's working because the numbers are public. Here's what all that discipline advice has produced. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York tracks how much credit card debt Americans carry. Right now, it's over $1.2 trillion. That's the highest it's ever been. And the average credit card charges more than 20% interest. Now think about that. Budgeting advice is everywhere. Millions of videos, thousands of books, and the debt keeps growing anyway. When advice is everywhere and it keeps failing, the problem isn't that 300 million people are weak. The problem is the advice that is given to us, the advice that does not work. So what happens when you take willpower out of the picture completely? In 2001, two economists, Brigitte Madrian and Dennis Shea, studied a big American company that changed one small thing. Instead of asking workers to sign up for the retirement plan, the company signed everyone up automatically. If you didn't want it, you could sit out. Same workers, same pay, same plan. And the number of people saving jumped from 37% to 86%. Nobody got more disciplined. Nobody took a class. The company just stopped making willpower the price of entry, and almost everyone succeeded. That one study changed retirement plans across America, but almost nobody has used the same idea on debt. So let's use it. A debt plan that actually works in real life has 3 parts, and each part is a machine that runs by itself, not a promise you have to keep. The first machine is the cushion. Before you throw extra money at your debt, set up one automatic transfer that builds a small pile of cash. About 1 month of basic bills sitting in its own account. That sounds backwards when your card charges 22%, but here's why it matters. Bankrate does a survey every year, and every year it finds the same thing. Fewer than half of Americans can cover a $1,000 emergency with savings. So what happens when the car breaks down? The credit card comes back out. The balance jumps back up, and you pay interest on it. And the whole plan gets thrown away out of frustration. The cushion isn't really savings. It's a shield. It keeps one bad day from wiping out 4 months of progress. The second machine is the payment stack. First, every single debt gets its minimum payment put on autopay. Not a reminder, not a calendar note, autopay. That way, you never miss a payment and never get hit with a late fee. Then you add one more automatic payment, the biggest amount you can afford, aimed at just one debt. And it goes out the day after your paycheck arrives. Not the end of the month, the day after payday. Money that leaves first can't get spent. That's the same reason taxes taken out of your paycheck always get paid. And taxes people have to mail in often don't. Now, which debt do you attack first? This is where it gets interesting, because the math and the real world disagree. The math says pay the highest interest rate first. That saves the most money on paper. But 2 researchers, David Gall and Blakely McShane, studied thousands of real people paying off real debt and published what they found in the Journal of Marketing Research. The people most likely to become completely debt-free weren't the ones doing perfect math. They were the ones who paid off their smallest debts first and closed those accounts. Another study, by Remy Trudel and his team in Harvard Business Review found the same thing. Putting all your extra money on one debt works better than spreading it around, even when it's the same total amount. So on paper, the math method wins. In real life, finishing wins. And once everything is automatic, the difference does not matter anyway, because the biggest cause of wasted interest isn't picking the wrong method. It's giving up. Start with the smallest debt. Let the machine run. And when one debt dies, move its payment onto the next one. Your payment never shrinks. The debts just run out. Now let's step away from the studies for a second, because this is really about you. If you've ever built the spreadsheet, felt excited for 2 weeks, and then watched it all fall apart around month 4, that wasn't weakness. Your plan had one weak spot, and that weak spot was you on your most tired day. This plan is actually easier than what you tried before. You make every decision once on a good day. Then the machine takes over. The third machine is the raise catcher, and it comes with the best evidence of all. 2 economists, back in the day, in the early 2000s, created a program called Save More Tomorrow. The idea was simple. People agreed ahead of time that whenever they got a raise, a piece of that raise would automatically go to savings before they ever saw it. No sacrifice, no cutting back, just catching money. They hadn't gotten used to spending yet. Over about 3 years, the people in the program nearly quadrupled their savings rate, from 3.5% to over 13%. That's the biggest improvement ever recorded in this kind of research, and it took 0 ongoing willpower. Do the same thing with debt. Every raise, every bonus, every surprise check gets split automatically, with half going straight at your target debt. Your plan speeds up every year, and your daily life never gets harder. And here's the funny part. The industry selling discipline knows all this research. It's 20 years old and famous, but nobody sells a course called Set Up for Automatic Transfers and Stop Looking. Discipline fails on schedule, and someone who fails is a repeat customer. My friend with the 14 tabs texted me a few weeks ago. The spreadsheet is no more. In its place, 1 cushion account that filled itself, 5 automatic minimum payments, 1 big payment that fires every other Friday, and 2 debts already gone. He said the strangest part is how boring it is. He built the whole thing in 1 afternoon, which, I pointed out, is 1 full day less than he spent on that spreadsheet. Now, before you go, one last thought. Everything in this video worked for one reason. It was set up once and ran automatically. So do the same thing with this channel. Hit subscribe 1 time right now, and you'll never have to remember to come back. New videos on money systems that run themselves will just show up, no willpower required. It's the laziest smart decision you'll make today, and it's the only one in this whole video that's completely free. If this video saved you even 1 late fee, we're already even. Hit the button, turn on the bell, and let the machine do the rest.